Good afternoon, BTs. I'm going to walk you through the documents that you'll have to complete for next Wednesday. Let me begin by saying that all the documents that you need are located in the Google Classroom that we've been using all year. I recently put a post on the 14th, which is the same day we had our luau, and all of the attachments are there as well. The first thing that you would need to submit is your quarter 4 mentor contact log and checklist. That document is the same document you have been submitting each 9 weeks this school year. So it looks just like this. So you have the mentor log and the checklist that you have submitted for quarters 1, 2, 3, and I'm asking for you to do quarter 4. Now, you may not have a lot for quarter 4 because we've been working from home, but please provide any information that you can for quarter 4 paperwork. That would be uploaded into your Google Drive folder that I created just for you all on the 14th. If we are missing quarter 1, quarter 2, or quarter 3 information, Ms. Baker will send an email to you all asking for you to locate those documents or a copy of those documents to be put in your file. The second thing is the PD log, the professional development log. It is located here. It's a Word document. You're going to fill out the very top, and you're going to indicate any professional development that you have taken this year, face-to-face and virtual. You're going to indicate the date of the PD, the number of hours spent, the name of the PD, the standard that it addresses, and the location or the sponsor of the PD. So if it was a system-wide PD that all Cumberland County School teachers in elementary have taken, then you would indicate CCS. If it was a Cumberland at home professional development you took online, you would put CCS/Cumberland at home. If it was a workshop that you attended at Fayetteville State University for a conference that they facilitated, then you would indicate Fayetteville State University. So you're going to list all the PD that you have taken this year, all of the system-wide PDs and any other PD opportunities you took advantage of this school year. This will be very helpful. It will be very helpful for you to collaborate with your peers to come up with a list of PDs, since many of you all have taken the same PDs. The next thing is the BT information sheet. It is located here. It is a Word document. It looks a little distorted because I have it in preview mode, but once you download the actual document, it will make a lot more sense. You're going to indicate your name at the very top, put the school name, employee ID number, and this is very important, so if you do not know the number, please be sure to reach out to Ms. McGill, and indicate year 1, your year 2, and year 3 school years. If you are a year 1, BT1, you would simply put 1920 for year 1 and leave the rest blank. If you're year 2, you would put 1819 for year 1, 1920 for year 2. If you are a BT3, you would put 1718 for year 1, 1819 for year 2, 1920 for year 3. Below, you will put the teaching assignment, your grade level, and subject. If you teach all subjects, then put all. If you only teach music, then simply put music. You'll also indicate the license code that is featured on your teaching license certificate. This is very important, and please do not leave this blank. You will need to go back to your certificate for teaching to indicate what license is located on that document. You will complete the section here that says the date that you began employment within CCS and the ending date of your current contract. And then you will also need to complete the portion here, the support team members here. You'll put Ms. McCahern's name as principal, Jamette McCahern, first and last name, Latricia Allen as assistant principal, Latricia Allen as lead success, and then put your mentor's name, first and last name, on the last line. That is all that you have to do for this document. You'll notice that there's more information at the bottom. Again, this is distorted because it is in preview mode. It is an actual Word document, but you do not have to complete anything else other than that top half of the document. So everything from here above. This portion here, beginning with the word "this is to verify," will be completed by Ms. McCahern. Principal signature and date. The next thing is the BT information sheet, and we just went over that. The fourth thing is the impact form for BT3s, This is only for beginning teacher 3s, BT3s. So if you are not a BT3, you do not have to complete this form. Again, this is only for BT3s. It is this document here. Very easy to complete. You will put your information, last name, first name, middle name, maiden name, social security number, our local agency, which is Cumberland County, it's already filled in for you. And our unit number is 260404. Again, our unit number is 260404. 404 is our school number. 260 represents Cumberland County Schools. So our unit number is 260404. And that is all that BT3s have to complete. Ms. McCahern will fill out the bottom portion and she will sign and date. And then after she has completed this, she will have you to sign and date as well. All you have to do is this portion right here at the moment. This is only for beginning teacher 3s, BT3s. The last document is our support contact record log. It can be found right here, support team contact. Again, this is also a Word document, so you will have to download it. You will put your name. You will put Jamette McCahern for principal, Latricia Allen for assistant principal, Latricia Allen for lead success designee, and your mentor name, first and last name. This document is to keep a record of all the times that you have met with any of these folks up here. So that can include a PLC meeting. It can include an administrative meeting that you may have had. It can include a post-observation conference. Or if we met with you during an I-round and we want to give you some feedback, that can include those documents there, or that experience is there. You do not have to have an exhaustive list. They simply want to see, they being the beginning teacher department, simply want to see that we have supported you this school year. So you can put for PLCs every Wednesday or every other Wednesday, whatever the case may be, put that here and under date so you don't have to physically write the date for every PLC that you have had. You can put PLC and indicate the people that were in PLC. You can put principal, assistant principal, intern, grade level members, and keep it moving. You can indicate anytime that you had a post-conference and just make sure that I would say have all of these rows filled up. And that would be about it. We're not asking for an exhaustive list, but they simply want to see that we have supported you throughout the school year. Those are all the documents that you have to turn in on Wednesday. Again, I am encouraging you all to please collaborate amongst your peers in order to get this done. Work smarter and not harder. You all can complete these tasks within a timely manner if you work together. So reach out to each other and ask each other for some assistance. You all can create a Google Doc and keep a running record of all the PD that you have taken together, all the PLC times that you've met, and you all can complete these tasks together as much as you're able to. I know that some of these things may be different for others because we have quite a few BT3s and we have some that aren't, so you wouldn't necessarily collaborate on this document here. But for the remaining documents, try your very, very best to reach out to each other to collaborate and share those dates so it does not become a stressor for you all. As always, if you need anything, please don't hesitate to let me know, let Ms. Baker know, and we are always happy to assist you. Have a great day.